3 stretches to help the hip flexors. Suffering from a tightness or ache in the lower back, especially when standing, having pain in the glutes or poor posture and difficulty standing, then watch this video as I will explain how to identify tight hip flexors and my top 5 stretches to help. Hi, I'm Sasha at Worthing Osteopathic and Wellbeing Clinic. Judith is a keen runner and she runs at least 5 times a week if she can. Just recently she's been suffering from a tightness in her lower back, and this meant that she was unable to go running until the pain subsided, which frustrated her mentally. She tried to do some stretches but found that what she was doing wasn't helping at all. Getting up from the chair or bed was causing a lot of pain and stiffness was set in as she stayed still in any length of time. Sleeping at night was unbearable for her and she could never get into a comfortable position. Judith was starting to feel tired from the lack of sleep and short-tempered from the lack of mobility. She wondered if the pain would ever go away, or she would have to live to learn with it. The answer to the question is no. Tight hip flexors. Want to know more about them? Then comment stretch down below so that I know these type of videos are helpful to you. Now, I'll now share my top 3 stretches for you. Number 1, kneeling hip flexor stretch. Onto all fours. Bring that right foot up and make sure the knee is in a 90-degree angle, torso up straight. We're going to lengthen our back leg so it's slightly straight or fully straight depending how advanced you are. We're leaning our chest down forward and gently and feel stretch at the front of the hip flexor. Second stretch, hip flexor and trunk rotation. Start in a plank position with your hands underneath your shoulders and your body straight back behind. Bring your foot forward to the side of the hand. With the other leg stretched back behind you, sink your hips down in between the 2 feet. With the hand and the foot next to it, I want you to reach around, follow the head with the movement, open up wide. Feel the hip flexor on the left side if you're stretching the other way around. Feel the hip flexor on the right side if you're stretching the left leg. And close slowly, repeat on the other side. Last but not least, standing hip flexion. Stand straight, holding a chair or table. Bend your affected leg and bring your knee up in front of you. Control the movement as you lower your leg back down. This is an important part of the exercise. This is an eccentric muscle contraction of the psoas, which is the main hip flexor. Repeat the movement, making sure you do not lean your body or hitch the pelvis up as you lift your leg. Suffering or experiencing tight hip flexors now, then comment stretch down below so I know these videos are of help with you. Judith came to see me at the clinic. By following my advice, the bespoke treatment plan tailored to her needs and doing the exercises I emailed her, she was able to eventually get back to her running pain-free. How good is that? Tight hip flexors, then comment stretch down below and give us a like. Remember, pain is unavoidable, suffering is optional. Thank you for watching.